Welcome back to my channel Learn SQL with Shahid. Yesterday we have discussed about 2014 and 2016 installation, and I have shown you 2016 installation how to do. And today we are proceeding with 2017 and 2019 SQL Server installation, and we'll going to be discussed about what they have enhanced. So in SQL Server 2017, machine learning services has been introduced within the database engine. Okay, so whatever the databases we have, right, other third-party tools or third-party software like R Python has been introduced. They can connect to the database. The Microsoft has been integrated. They use other tools, but they can connect and fetch the data and play with it. Okay, and also reporting services, SSRS. Within that installation we have, right, that is also out. Okay, we have to install separately if anyone asks, like developer. And in 2017, Satya Nadella became means who is the CEO of Microsoft. He became CEO in 2014. He introduced SQL on Linux in 2017. So these are the enhancements they did in 2017. So I'm going to proceed with SQL Server 2000 installation. I will right click mount, same again and again. That screens only will appear with some changes. Right clicks, run as administrator. Yeah, this is the planning page. Okay, where we can install by seeing this whichever the feature we want, like a SQL Server migration assistant. SQL Server migration assistant means like whatever the data from third-party softwares like Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server welcomes to our technology. So how it is means, like Oracle data and all we can migrate to SQL. That is the main reason. And also we have DMA, right? So this is SQL to SQL. Whatever old the old servers are there, whenever we need to migrate, that is called side by side migration. We will migrate older version to newer version and make it that older version decommissioning the older version. We'll decommission whatever after migrating. Okay, so we'll make the services up in newer version and we'll decommission. So it is equal to SQL. That is the that is introduced in 2016 itself. Okay, that SSMA and this one. So we'll see here this reporting services also. It is out. If you want reporting services, we have to install separately. I'll show that also. If I go to installation here, we can install SQL Server reporting services. Here there is a link. Okay. So if we click, it will redirect to browser, and there we can install. For example, I have clicked here. So it is redirecting to browser. So from here we can download it. Okay. Yeah, that is the change. That is one change. Okay, they did. And yeah, let us continue with our installation. So click on next, select developer. If there is Express, Evolution, these three are free. So we can select any of this. I'm selecting developer. So click on next. Then I accept the license terms. So click on next again. Then you will be taken to the global rules page. So it is running some checks already run, and like use Microsoft update to check update recommended. You can check or else uncheck, no problem. I'm checking that option and selecting next. Skip the scan, skip scan. It is asking. Okay, fine. I will uncheck this and I will click on next. It went to installation set of files. Why I cancelled? Because it is taking a lot of time. So just for our understanding purpose, I'm installing this. Already we have discussed 2012, 14, 16, everything. This is also 2017. And see, click on next. Yeah, here we see like same. This is database engine services, SQL Server application, and in 2017 they have introduced machine learning services. Means introduced means this is not a product of ours. SQL Server helps R and Python language to integrate with SQL Server, and they can connect and they can fetch the data and whatever they want, like they can play with the data. This and all the developers will be doing. If anyone has to select, then we'll select. Okay, like this. So again, like client to connectivity and client to backward compatibility. I'm selecting. So click on next. Everything got passed. This feature will check. So and here we can create 49 named instances, one SQL Server default instance. Okay, I'm going with MS SQL Server 2017. If I click on this, it will take the same instance ID. Okay, so clicking on next again. Yeah, these are the inbuilt virtual accounts with the name of MS SQL, dedicated for only SQL Server. So I will select automatic for this agent service. You also must be do the same, and also I'm clicking this grant perform volume maintenance task privilege. This is instant file initialization as discussed previously, and it will avoid zeroing of the pages whenever we create the database. So like creation of database will be in seconds. Okay, it will avoid whatever the data pages it should fill with zero, that it will avoid. So click checkbox this is mandatory to fill, and also this is the interview question. Like next, I am selecting Windows authentication. Also this temdb customization tab and all came in 2016. Okay, so I will be adding user here. Add user such HID Shahi, check names. Yeah, okay. So user has been added, so I am clicking on next. So features got selected, everything. So I am installing this. Okay. And one more thing, in next installation you will be seeing some differences here. You will see two more tabs here. I will show and I will tell what is that tabs. Okay. So I am installing this. Installation is in progress. So mainly I have discussed 2017 changes. Okay, like machine learning has been introduced in 2017. That is R and Python. That means these are the two machine learning languages like R and Python integrated to SQL Server. They can connect and they can play with the data. And 2017 reporting services are out, and it is a different entity. They have to install separately. Okay, and Satya Nadella's plan in 2017 to bring SQL on Linux. Okay, also we will be doing this Linux installation also using Ubuntu and all. I will be showing in my future classes. And also there is unattended installations, means I will show you installation running through commands and all. Okay, so no need to do these steps and all like selecting and all. So there is one command I will share you with you guys, so you can use that command and use that in CMD command prompt, so we can install quickly as well. I will be explaining that parameter and whatever the aspects are there. Okay, so let it complete this installation. And also I will show you the creation of databases and creating tables, whatever the columns we need to uh, create in tables. I will let you know that and all after 2019 2022 and 2025 installations gets completed. So next class will be creation of databases after completion of 2025. Now one more thing guys, if you want to check the whatever the .NET framework we need for this installation setup, right, you can go here in installation when you are mounting, right, that those file you can find here redist folder you can find here .NET framework, and you can see like right click properties, properties. If you check here you can find .NET framework 4.6. Okay, we need this thing, so you can find easily. And also if you can do, if it is not there in our servers or laptops, then we can install here, right click and run as administrator. So I think installation has completed. Just a minute, I'll check. Still it is running some packages. Let it complete. Finally, the installation has been completed. So we'll go to the SMS, and before that instance ID, it will come this Windows or server name. Here black / and we can give what we have given that named instance, MS SQL Server server 2017. My username is Shahid. This is Windows authentication. You can check with SQL authentication if we have configured SQL SA also. Okay, so I'm going to connect with this MS SQL Server 2017. Okay, it's get connected. So here, like in last installation 2016, we have seen 13.0, right? Here we will see for 2017 14.0. It got connected MS SQL Server 2017. If you expand this, you see 14.0. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I will proceed with 2019 as well now. I will not install that. Just I will show whatever the enhancements happened in 2017. So I am going to again to this media folder. Here I am going to right click. Same thing like more we have to mount it, and we'll get here setup file. Right click, run as administrator. I'll close this setup files, or else it will cause confusion. Yeah, this 2019 is opening setup files. Same thing will be seen here. Okay, 2017 only. Like if you go to installation page here, like yeah, same thing you will find, and also new SQL Server standalone installation. Click on this. The process current operation. Okay, you say select developer, click next. License terms, you have to accept this and click on next again. You skip this. Okay, don't include next. Why I'm showing these things and all in our environment, in different companies there will be different SQL server, because there might be old also, like 2012 16 17 you should know that, because we are using someone ask like client will ask to install 2012. You must be in the position to install that 2012. Whatever if you ask like 2014, why they will ask sometime means because the applications what they are using, right, it will be compatible for those SQL Server version setups. Okay, like 2012 to 2014, whatever it is. So that's the reason I'm showing everything step by step, and from scratch I am showing how to do installations. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And also it is our this thing which I am explaining is for our knowledge purpose. Okay, like no one will ask in interview whatever the enhancements they did. And also there is some features I will be discussing this in level 3. Okay, like there are a lot of enhancements did that they will ask in interview. Okay, and detailed discussion of those features will be discussed on later on classes. So now I am proceeding with 2019 setup processes. like same thing next. Here one thing you will see the changes, only one thing, like this database engine services is same for everything, replication also is same. Here see in 2017 machine learning services you will find there also, but there was only R and Python. Okay, in 2019 they introduced Java as well. That is the change, that's it, small change they did. Okay, in this, like we have to click client student connectivity, client student backward compatibility. So click on next, everything is same as 2017. Looking for reporting services, download it from the web. It is written here, see. It has been thrown out in 2017. Like named instance, I'm selecting MS SQL 2019 setup. Okay, that's it. That's enough. I'll be clicking on this, and so I'm installing named instance again. Here click on next. See, already have this, so it is showing 2000. Previous installation I have deleted because of due to disk space issue. NT authority service again, same collation, same SQL underscore Latin 1 underscore general underscore CP1 underscore C underscore AS. Okay, code page 1, same CP1 means, and CI means case insensitive. Latin 1 general means language SQL that will understand, that is English. So click on next, and say this is the main changes they did. Here we see two tabs extra. This temp already came in 2016 itself. Here we have MAXDOP. This MAXDOP means max degree of parallelism. Like there will be multi-threaded operations. I will be discussing these things and all in later on classes. Also there is memory, like we want min memory, max memory, memory capping and all, it is there. Okay, here only it is there. No, this is maximum, it will take how much ever the server max is there, it will take up to that. So this thing and all will be done in performance enhancement. At that time I will be discussing, but you note it down that MAXDOP and memory settings has been included in 2019 just for our understanding purpose. That's it, nobody will ask in interview. Again I had to click on next. Yeah, I have missed here to add a current user. Here add Shahid, check names. Okay, next, then again, yeah, which ready to install, same thing, I'm going to install that. Only that R and Python was there, no, in 2017 they have included Java, and also two tabs they have included, memory and MAXDOP settings in 2019. I am going to cancel this installation, I'm not going to install. Yeah, tomorrow next class I will be discussing on 2022 and 2025 versions. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. And thank you everyone.